Dollar Yen Daily Forecast, January 16th, FXEmpire.com. The dollar yen pair, as you can see, fell during the session on Tuesday as the 90 handle proves to be a little bit too difficult for buyers to step over. Having said that, we actually welcome this pullback. This pair needs a pullback, not as much as some of the other yen related pairs, but definitely a pullback wouldn't hurt anything. You can see, though, interestingly enough, that we did bounce at the very first sign of support. So, having said that, we may have to look to shorter time frames. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, it's a little more clear what happened. We still think that breaking above the 90 level is eventually going to happen. Question is how far can we pull back? Can we get a better price? On a daily close above 90, we have to go long. It's just obvious the momentum has picked back up. But we could go as far as 85 and still see quite a bit of support. And in fact, we think a move back to 85 would be relatively healthy. When you look at the weekly chart, it's really not a stretch. You could even draw a fib, for example, a Fibonacci, and 85 is simply a pullback to the 38.2 at this point. So we're not even necessarily talking about any type of massive fall, even though it certainly would at least appear so, as it'd be about 400 pips or so. But in the big scheme of things, it really isn't. And with that being the case, we want to see us pull back as far as possible, really. We do expect quite a bit of support here at 85. But if we go over 90, then we have to recognize the fact that the momentum is just going to keep going, and there really isn't a whole lot you can do about it.